welcome to Bali! We're now here at Kuta Beach, quarter to 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and the waves are extremely huge, good for surfing. Let me just pan it across so you guys can see. Waves are really, really good, and the breeze. God. I'm still thinking if I'm going to take, have a swim this afternoon, but perhaps I'll just explore what we have on this beach at the moment and see what's happening. Hi everyone! Back to the vlog. I've been out and about for the past couple of days, I think 3 to 4 days. Just doing a bit of activities, so I'm very sorry if my voice sounds kind of different. We're now here at Kuta Beach, early in the morning, I think about 7:15 in the morning. But look at that. There's a bit of rain clouds, that's just the thing. One thing that you also have to be sure of that you notice, if you can notice the flag that's at my back, that one, if ever you see that, it has a yellow and red. That is in between those two flags. That's the only place wherein you're safe to swim. Now, after the flag, you can still go to, but it is safer if you're always in between the flags. Now, another thing is, this kind of wave is quite big. It is really good for surfing. Just to be mindful, guys, all of the beach fronts here in Bali is urban sea. So that's why the waves are really strong. Another thing is, if you see a flag that is color red for that specific day, the flag, there's no yellow part, that means it is really not safe for swimming. Nobody's allowed to swim. I'm just not quite sure if they're allowing you to do a bit of surfing, but that really means it is really quite high for the waves. I have seen that in the past couple of days. We've been here for a week, and then another week more. And yes, I can really say that when they put in the red flags, it is really a red flag. The waves are extremely high. I'll take a snap for you on the view. I'll flip the camera over so you can see. So there you are. There's a lot of people having their morning jog here in Kuta Beach, specifically because this is one of the biggest shorelines. It goes through from Kuta to Seminyak. So if you'd see that part over there, that's already a different place. But it is extremely a very long shoreline. You can already see my husband chilling by the shore. And as I told you guys, about 7:15, perhaps 7:15 to 7:30. I don't have my watch with me, but yeah. And that orange building over there, that's where the lifeguards are. So I think that'll be it for today here at Kuta Beach. I would just now remove my cover up and then join my husband and enjoy the beach and the waves. I'll see you guys soon.